Nice for coming and help me, buddy.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me, we meant to be.
So we just spent last night camping out at just a little sidetrack in the Warren National Park. Managed to find a good little spot there. It was a bit tight, but we got all the cars in and spent a great night camping there next to the river. So we're going to be heading to North Cliff. We're going to be putting a little bit of fuel in the cars, thankfully using some public toilets because we spent so many nights in the bush now. And then after that we're going to go check out Lane Pool Falls and go and see how good they are. So all the best trips have to end eventually, and ours is ending here in Pemberton at the Crossings Bakery. So we've just grabbed ourselves a apple and custard donut, and we're going to enjoy it while we're driving back up to Australind. So thank you very much for watching this episode. It's been a great trip going through D'Entrecasteaux National Park, going through the Yagerup Dunes. We ended up exploring a bit into the national park as well. We all had a great time. We didn't have anything go wrong, thankfully, so fingers crossed that happens again. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Prado 120 Adventures. Cheers.